Hello! We are going to surprise you. You are going to discover something new and perfect for you. We know that what you want when you are going to organize a trip is to have a platform where your travelers can book what they need, from start to finish, but following your guidelines within what your budget allows. From the most basic like the plane and the hotel to the most complicated like visas, interpreters, or personal assistants in the destination. With an amazing travel planner that creates the schedules and the routes. Where work meetings can be scheduled and necessary documents can be uploaded as well. With a chat with real people to assist you 24 hours a day. The traveler has many options for their free time during the trip, so they can combine work with pleasure. Thousands of leisure activities, a social network to find friends and create groups to share activities, and a private access to being able to see, modify, add or delete leisure options. Have we surprised you again? Well then, why don't you discover us? Besides, being a Uemura user is free, and using our production team so they organize your trip is also free. Uemura, enjoy la vida!